Hey, it's Danny here with your 90-second tip. It's Google Thursday, so of course I have to do a tip about Google. And you would think after coming up on a year of doing tips that I would get to the point where I'm starting to run out, but it just is not happening, and there's just more and more tips coming. So this one has to do with a really cool new update to Google Docs. So you go to Gmail, and then you click on the documents, and you go to Google Docs. Then you're going to click Create New, and then you click Form. And what this does is it allows you to create a form with any kind. You can put any questions you want in there. You can put check boxes. You can allow the people to put in text, and you can really customize a nice form with as many questions as you want. Then once it's customized, you can click on themes. And at this point, they have 97 different themes in there, and you can see some of them here behind me. So you just click on a theme, and what it does is it actually builds the form with that theme and your questionnaire. Well, then you can see here you can embed that form. You can put it in your blog, on a website, and when people go and answer your questions, they click submit. Those answers are immediately sent to your Google Docs. And you can have them sent to you in a spreadsheet format where you can see all your answers compiled for you in a spreadsheet. Or you can actually have it do a graph and graph the different answers for each question that you asked. So, I mean, it's a fantastic way to get information from people. Plus, it's a really cool way to communicate. I mean, if you were to, if you post it to a blog and then post like the Roost app I covered a couple weeks ago and say, hey, do you think this will help your business, yes or no? And then send that link out to 20 or 30 agents that you're working with, or in whatever business you're in, and everybody that says yes, you're going to be able to look at the spreadsheet, see who said yes, and know who you should follow up with. So it's a really cool tool. Most of you already have Gmail, already have Google Docs, so it's going to be real simple for you to go in there and use this to gather information. I mean, if you think about, not too many years ago, companies would pay millions of dollars to send people out with surveys to gather information. Now using this, and of course then it would take weeks or months to compile that data and get it back. Using this now, you can survey anybody you want through email or your blog and have the information back instantaneously. And it doesn't cost you a cent. Like most of the stuff I cover, it's absolutely free. So go play with it, check it out. I'm sure you'll find 1,000 more uses for it than I've come up with. And have a fantastic week. Tomorrow's Friday, and I'll see you then with another tip.